It's terrible.
Oh, man.
We're freezing right here. So we're finally here. We're representing the United Family today, and we're very excited to meet a lot of people from different countries. So finally, we just want to have a memories of this glimpse that it's snowy. Look at it. Woo! Oh no! So it's snow everywhere. So just want to show you. Just want to show you this is how the situation is right here today. Start the car. Okay, this is how we finally made our day. We is probably cleaning the front part. Let me start my car. Okay, that's what I am doing. So we definitely, we really enjoyed our day today. We would like to thank Asian Cultural Center who invited us, and we really had an awesome time with a lot of leaders from different communities. We were able to watch a lot of cultural dances and from the diverse community, and we actually loved their dance, and we took tons of pictures, and we're so fortunate to be here, and we want to share this moment. And I have Mr. Kharka who just cleaned a little bit this snow. All right, and how was the day today? How was the event today?
It was wonderful. I did not expect that we're gonna have a this much, like, you know.
Didn't expect it, but
excited moment.
Yep.
It was really good, and we met a lot of people from different communities, and we had a very good time with them.
Awesome. Thank you, and thank you for being in the video.
Yes, welcome.
We
are heading to.
We hope that our road will be cleaned up, and we can drive a little bit faster. But we're not sure. We're driving like an hour and a half, maybe.
Yeah.
Usually it's like an hour drive, but today I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be 2 hours because it's a snowstorm. It's also called blizzard.
Blizzard. Yeah.
The blizzard is out. It's like a snowstorm here, so we don't know how it's gonna be our drive. We try to update. We try to take a video on the way,
okay,
if that's possible. And my friend, also a respected brother, he will be taking much video on the way. All right, thank you, and stay.